y'all, welcome back to my channel. Be For Real. I am Britt. So happy Veganuary, happy New Year, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. So before we hop into it, for those who did not watch my live or my last video, then I just want to announce that I will be coming to Atlanta. Woo! Cue applause. I will be coming to Atlanta to team up with That Chocolate Vegan. If you guys are not already following her on YouTube or on Instagram at That Chocolate Vegan, she has some dope recipes as well. Be sure to follow her. We are teaming up over Valentine's Day weekend, so whether you celebrate or not, we are throwing a dinner party and we are giving you guys an elevated vegan dining experience, okay? So if you are in the Atlanta area, or if you don't mind driving down or flying out, be sure to catch us over Valentine's Day weekend. Pre-sale tickets are on sale. Be sure to click the link in the description box below. We will be providing an experience both Saturday and Sunday of Valentine's Day weekend. You do not have to be a couple, okay? Bring your girls, bring your friend, just bring somebody that you care about and come have a good time. So me and That Chocolate Vegan will be cooking up 6 courses for you guys. We are very excited to hang out, okay? We cannot wait. So of course we are going to be abiding by COVID-19 protocols and regulations and requiring a negative COVID test. So be sure to click the link in the description box. We really would love to see you guys there, and this event will sell out. Okay, this is for a limited number of people and we're going to be providing a very dope experience for you guys. So be sure to come out and dine with us. Okay, so without further ado, we are going to be getting into this video. It is a very simple, very easy lasagna recipe that you will be sure to fool your entire house. If you have a mixed household where you're the only one vegan, or some are, some aren't, some people eat meat, some people don't, child, make this recipe and I'm pretty sure everybody will enjoy it and nobody will complain. Okay, don't even tell them it's vegan, just make it. How would they know? How would they know? So let's go ahead, without further ado. Y'all know I don't like to ramble. Let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Alright, so boom, we are starting off with some meatless crumble today. You can of course use any meat substitute you would like, or you can omit the meat substitute altogether, child. It's your world. You could do mushrooms. You could just keep this strictly veggie, okay? And if you've been watching my channel, then you know I do not like sweet pasta sauce, but I do like to cut the acidity just a little bit. I typically use maple syrup or agave, but somebody gifted me this vegan honey, so I've been using this. I love it. I am not gonna lie to y'all, I don't know where to find this at. I was told that the person who sells this sell it wholesale, but I love it. So if you happen to find this company, I love it. Okay, so I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons in there just to go ahead and cut the acidity, but not to make the sauce sweet, if that makes sense. Alright, so boom, while our sauce is getting its life together, we are going to go ahead and grab another pot and add in. I have 1 red bell pepper and 1 green pepper. Now, if y'all been watching me, y'all know that I love me a bag of frozen peppers, but y'all, I forgot that I didn't have any. So I had to cut up a red pepper and a green pepper, the ghetto. Okay, but we got it done. So I'm also taking 1 package of extra firm tofu, and I just went ahead and mashed that up in a separate bowl before I added it to the pot, because I'm not messing up my new pot. Okay, I used a potato masher, but you can of course use a fork if you don't have one. But yeah, I mashed it up in a separate bowl because we will not be messing up no pots all 2022. From here on out, we are not scraping them pots up. Okay, so you did see me go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm also going to add in a package of this tofu cream cheese. Now you can use the tofu sour cream as well. In my opinion, when they melt down, they taste the same. Okay, so I'm going to Ancestor shimmy all over our vegan ricotta here. So I will have a full list of the ingredients in the description box below. So all the seasonings I used and everything else will be in the description box, okay? So we are going to add a little bit of vegan mozzarella to our ricotta here, just for, you know, the culture. And once you taste everything to ensure that the Ancestor shimmy was perfect, we're going to go ahead and start to layer our lasagna. Now, for my eco-friendly people, I do apologize. I'm using this foil pan, but y'all, my baking pan broke and I had to make do. And I wasn't going to not make this lasagna. I mean, you know. So we are going to start off with a layer of sauce. Then we are going to place our noodles. Now, let me just say this. Let me say this. Give me a second, okay? I'm not cooking no lasagna noodles. Lasagna noodles for me are very temperamental. I don't have time, okay? They take a little while. Like, I try to get them out with a fork or with some tongs, and they just be the breaking. I don't have time. So, for what? I'm going to put these noodles in raw. Yes, I am. And we are going to let the sauce do the job. The sauce is going to help cook our noodles down. And I promise y'all, your lasagna noodles will be perfect. Now, if you want to go ahead and cook your noodles, you go right ahead. But if you want to be a rebel like me, child, you want to throw them noodles in uncooked. And you want to let it get its life together on its own. Okay? So we are just going to layer this with our sauce, our noodles, our ricotta, our sauce, and repeat. And then we are going to top it off with our vegan mozzarella on top. Boom, boom, boom. A little Italian seasoning for the culture. Okay, little Ancestor shimmy of that. I am going to spray the top with some cooking spray just to prevent the cheese from sticking to the foil. But we are going to cover this very tightly with some foil. Pop it in the oven at 365 degrees for about 50 minutes. Now, yes, it's going to take a little longer to cook because the noodles are not cooked. So if you are short on time and you want to cook your noodles, go, you know, be my guest. But yes, we are going to pop this in the oven for 50 minutes and look at that. Bruh. So easy, right? Easy. This was an easy recipe. I told y'all. So we have our slice right here. Can y'all see it? You ain't need. Why you gotta cook the noodles? Don't let nobody make you feel like you gotta do more than what you gotta do. Okay? I'm trying to tell y'all this is the best lasagna you ever gonna have. Okay? Y'all. Make this and come back and tell me about all the compliments you got. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my little corner. But I appreciate you guys as always for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget. And if you do make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at BforealJuiced. But I'm trying to tell y'all. Alright, let me go ahead. Let me leave y'all. I appreciate you guys as always for watching. And I will see you in my next video.